In this video, I'll show you a simple method to save pictures on Snapchat without notifying the sender. This trick allows you to save a photo from a chat without triggering a notification. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to Chats and find the conversation that contains the picture you want to save. For this example, I'm using my own account to demonstrate. Once you're in the chat and see the photo, turn on airplane mode on your device. After that, tap and save the photo to your camera roll. Since your phone is in airplane mode, Snapchat won't send any notification to the other person. Now, to make sure Snapchat doesn't log this action, the next time you log in, delete the Snapchat app from your phone. Reinstall the Snapchat, log back in, and go back to the same chat. You'll notice that there is no notification or alert sent to the other person. In my case, I am screen recording this, so there's a notification, but the notification that you send or save a picture doesn't notice it. So that's how you can save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. If this helped, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to this channel, and dropping a comment below. Thanks for watching.